Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Study. In this video, we will discuss about botanical garden. Let us discuss the significance of botanical garden. Botanical garden serves as repository for endangered plants of the country and exotic plant species of the world. Botanical garden is a safe place for conservation of rare and endemic plant species. Botanical gardens are the center for germplasm collection of selected economic, ornamental, and medicinal plants. Botanical gardens are the centers to provide educational programs and research in experimental botany. Botanical gardens underlook research on propagation on rare and threatened plant species. Botanical gardens can create awareness about value of trees, beautiful, interesting plants which are used for landscaping. Botanical gardens can organize flower, foliage and plant show. Botanical garden can introduce economically and commercially useful plant species. Botanical garden act as a data book for information and documentation of different plant species. Botanical gardens supply plant material essential for laboratory work in school, colleges and universities. Let us discuss about Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata. It is the largest government botanical garden of the world. It is situated on west bank of River Hooghly in the vicinity of town city Kolkata. It occupies land about 273 acres. It is established by Robert Clyde in 1787 and designed by Sir George King in 1872 and composed of 12,000 plants. Official name of this garden during company rule was Honorable Company's Botanical Garden, Kolkata, later on renamed as Royal Botanical Garden, Kolkata in 1860. It is known as Indian Botanical Garden. Now in 2009, it is designated as Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanical Garden. Salient feature of Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata. In this garden, efforts are made to cultivate rare and endangered plants like bougainvilleas, jasmine, bamboos, water lily, cacti, and succulents. Giant water lilies like Victoria amazonica and Victoria cruziana are the wonders of this garden. National flower of Brazil, Iran, England, Japan, Philippines are cultivated here. National Orchidarium with 1500 orchids, branched palm, rattlesnake orchid, mud tree, etc. This garden having great banyan tree which is about 230 years old having 1700 columnar roots. It occupies about 1.2 hectares of land and which is appears like a forest. This garden also have the Central National Herbarium, palm houses, ornamental nursery and succulent plants. Now let us discuss about the Lead Botanical Garden which is located in the Department of Botany, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. The functions of Lead Botanical Garden. Lead Botanical Garden help to conserve natural vegetation, especially threatened and endemic species. Study of phenology and response of the plants to climate variability and change. It carry out conservation biological studies with a view to find out ecological, biological and genetical bottlenecks or barriers in the reproduction and the survival of species. Lead Botanical Garden carry out rehabilitation or recovery programs for threatened and endemic species. It serves as a center of training and expertise in focus area of subject specialization including horticulture. Lead Botanical Garden building up of information on in situ as well as ex situ conservation of the threatened and endemic species and their habitat. Lead Botanical Garden also prepare red data sheets for the selected species as per IUNC format. It promotes environmental awareness of nature conservation through well-designed education programs and educational materials. It develops relevant research and development expertises and capabilities in undertaking modern conservation and gene banking technique including in vitro tissue bank, DNA and cryobank. Botanical sections in the garden. In the Lead Botanical Garden have Pinetum, Fernery, palmatum, orchidarium, nursery of mangroves, nursery of rare, endangered and threatened plants and endemic plants, arboretum, and Nilambari multipurpose hall. So this is all about botanical gardens.